Penchant liking clemency, mercy, hardly, scarcely, fabricated, designed, aboriginal, primitive, comprises consist of run completed, presume, suppose, elegant, watchful, escalate to a scale of admit, accept, encounter, face, enjoined, urged, temerity, audacity, hunger, desire, conscientious effort made with critical awareness, meticulous, very careful, food, pay, regale, entertain, modus, beige, dexterity, skill, eccentric, particular, lapse, pass, judicious, sensible, atrocities, cruelties, subsequent, later, lurid, ghastly, compunction, regret, overstreperous, unruly, unpaid, honorary, jaded, exhausted, talismanous, amulets, ponder, think, distress, depression, vice, evil, meddle, interfere, affection, pretense, illicit, draw out, cuse, uneasy, lately, recently, indifference, disinterest, rave, talk bitterly, feeble, weak, incensed, enraged, foolhardiness, foolishness, urge, perspicuous, equanimity, composure, incinerated, burnt, nippy, quick, completed, collected, sporadic, irregular, industrious, diligent, incessant, constant, distant, hate, benevolence, kindness, judiciary, reasonably, jibes, taunts, credible, believable, effete, exhausted, dawdling, loitering, coy, shy, graphic, drawing, dismissed, removed, behavior, hesitate, congenial, suited, indigenous, native, recollect, recall, outset, beginning, bondage, gift, efficacious, effective, gilded, throat, virgin, unplugged, unexplored, renaissance, revival, many, several, fecund, fruitful, privation, hardship, fiery, rage, preemptory, dictatorial, associate, collegiate, puerility, childishness, just, exactly, consternation, surprise, candid, frank, lampoon, ridicule, sagacity, wisdom, insatiable, unsatisfiable, edge, side, discreet, prudent, revealed, disclosed, scandal, disgraceful action, forlorn, lonely, rancorous, harsh, admonished, censored, ultimate, final, Heimer, stress, eradicate, uproot, frustrating, disappointing, adamant, stubborn, monotonous, irksome, imminent, impending, fantastic, wonderful, transaction, proceedings, homilities, sermon, salubrious, healthful, exceptional, unusual, accommodate, hold, redundant, repetitive, hazard, dangerous, mendacious, false, odysseus, hateful, banquet, feast, mobilized, collect, hugely, genial, stressing, lascivious, lustful, what, QA, carnival, rivalry, aberration, deviation, drowsy, sluggish, fulminate, protest, anxiety, uneasiness, lapse, error, courtesy, civility, incumbent, pressing, strangled, throttled, succored, added, amenable, applicable, backward, embarrassment, Fiji, cute, changes of fortune, casual, coax, clandestine, secretive, flippant, discourteous, fastidious, fussy, embellished, adorned, outlandish, strange, neglected, failed, credulous, willing to believe easily, dilemma, confusion, glint, sparkle, baneful, pernicious, obedience, obedience, fruitful, productive, deleterious, noix, chided, rebuked, persuasions, convictions, tedious, tiring, touched, impressed, rewarding, profitable, incompatible, unsuitable, predatory, plundering, accost, approach, extinct, non-existence, alibi, delay, agog, excited, deprecated, protested, vortex, whirlpool, fractious, irritable, vicious, delegated, propensity, natural tendency, magnanimity, generosity, germinate, aspirate, craven, quarterly, propitiate, consolidate, antidote, remedy for, sensuous, sensitive, content, happy, conspicuous, prominent, unvehemently, forcefully, felicity, happiness, mind, operate, funny, odd, invis, display, erosion, corrosion, asperity, lively, narrated, told, precipitous, self-confidence, grand, oasis, waterhole, unseemly, improper, tangible, clear and certain, fallacy, belief, Aulis, Solomon, Malik, Spite, Muden, Bodily, Echoluded, Appreciation, Severe, Stern, Precisely, Exactly, Censored, Supervised, Ascending, Rising, Risky, Hazard, Sentenced, Punished, Pensire, Reflective, Impenous, Having too many, shirking, avoiding, levied, imposed, superfluous, needless, garrulous, talkative, pattern, model, commitments, obligations, necropolis, symmetry, exaggeration, overstatement, turgid, bloated.